Students, in previous lecture, we have already taken the information about meaning of market, market structure, differences between firm and industry, as well as we taken the information about the meaning of perfect competitive market and what are the features of the perfect competitive market. Students, today we are going to take the more information about the profit maximization. All of you know firm produces goods and services and it the firm sells these goods and services in the market because the firm wanted to make a profit. Means firm produces and sells the goods and services in the market and get a profit. Then what is the profit? Profit means it is the differences between total revenue and total cost of production. Students, what is the revenue? Revenue means it is the amount of money which firm gets by selling its product in the market. Means it is the income of the firm. And cost means it is the total amount of the money which spent by the firm or spent by the producer to produce the goods and services. It is the cost. And the revenue of the firm means the income of the firm which depends on the cost of the production and price of the commodity. So, cost and price related to each other. Students, you know, every person or every producer wants to make a profit. So, for profit maximization, there are the three conditions. First one is P is equal to MC, means price must be equal to marginal cost. Second condition is marginal cost must be non-decreasing at Q0, means the quantity 0. And third condition is in the short run, price is greater than the average variable cost, and in the long run, price is greater than the average cost. So, let us see the first condition, that is price is equal to marginal cost. Here the marginal cost means it is the cost of the production of an extra unit of the output. And you know, profit means differences between total revenue and total cost of the production. Means both the total revenue and the total cost increases as output increases. Means when output of the firm increases, then the total revenue and total cost also increases. If the change in total revenue is greater than the change in total cost, then profit will be continue to increase. Means if the change in total revenue is greater, means more than the change in the total cost, then profit will be continuous to increase. Means here if the income of the firm is greater than the cost of the production, then the profit will be continuous to increase. Means if change in total revenue of per unit increase in output, then it is a marginal cost. Means change in the total revenue of per unit, means the total income of the firm of per unit increase the output. Means when there is a change in total amount of the income from the per unit of commodity, the output increases and it is called the marginal cost. Means if change in the total cost of per unit increase in the output and it is the marginal cost. Means marginal cost means it is the cost of production an extra unit of the output, and if there is a change in the total cost of per unit, then increase in the output and it is the marginal cost. Means the marginal revenue is greater than the marginal cost, then profit increasing. See here, all of you know marginal revenue means it is an additional revenue, means it is an additional income of the firm which obtained from the sale of the additional means extra unit of the product. Means if the income of the means the marginal revenue of the firm is greater than the cost, then the profit increasing, and when the marginal revenue is less than the marginal cost, then profit will be fall. Why the profit will be fall? Because here the marginal cost is more than the marginal revenue, means income of the firm. So the firm incur the losses, means the profit will be fall. So for the profit maximization, marginal revenue should be equal to MC, means always MR should be equal to MC. Why? Because if the marginal revenue is less than the marginal cost, then the firm incur losses, means the profit will be fall. So in the perfect competitive market, firm established marginal revenue is always equal to P, means the price. So firm's profit maximum output level becomes the level of output at which the P is equal to MC, means price is equal to marginal cost. So students, this is all about the condition 1, means the price is equal to marginal cost. Hope all of you understood this. Thank you.